Exercise 3.3, substitution method of solving the first problem is given to you. It is very simple to you. First problem, I think so you can solve it. I am going to for the fifth problem. So fifth problem you see here, root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. And root 3x plus root 3x minus root 8y is also equals to 0. Okay, ready for that? In the yesterday's class, we have already discussed that which type of the lines are these two. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to
Sir,
0.
can you
Root
repeat?
3x minus 1. Which type of
Sir,
the lines, sir?
the
Means
line
these two lines will passes through the one particular point, one
origin,
special
sir.
point. Can
The
you able to
origin,
Origin,
it will
sir.
pass through origin.
Sir,
origin?
So
through
the
the
So
line
what
will
origin.
will be
pass
the
through origin.
solution after this
Sir,
equation?
because there is not any constant, hence it will pass through the origin.
Yes.
See
Obviously.
in this
So there is
equation.
no constant in this. So there is no constant in this. So that's why we can say that it passes through the origin. So
Origin.
the solution set for the both
Origin.
equations are 0, 0. Directly you can say. But how do we solve it? And some of the students may have a doubt that how do we solve it? How do we find out the solution of this one? Okay. So they are having a doubt. So how we just a substitution only. You consider this as equation number 1, this as a equation number 2. So when you consider equation number 1, from the equation number 1, you write root 2x is equals to minus root 3y. Okay. And from this x is equals to, we are going to get minus root 3 by root 2y. So this you have to substitute in equation number 2. This you have to substitute in equation number 2. Then equation number 2 will be transformed to root 3 in the place of x minus root 3 by root 2. Y should be written minus root 8y you have to write is equals to 0. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now what to do here? We are going to get minus 3 by root 2y minus root 2 root 8y is equals to 0. We are going to get second equation. From this y can be taken common, minus 3 by root 2. Actually root 3 and root 3 when you are multiplying 3 we are going to get. So that's why I have written minus and minus root 8 into y is equals to 0. So this is completely, whatever we are taking here, this is completely one constant. It is not necessary for us to simplify it. This one is not necessary to simplify it. So directly you can take it to right hand side. So what you going to do? Y is equals to 0 by something we are going to get it. Whatever it is there, minus 3 by root 2 minus root 8 we are going to get it. 0. So 0 by something will be equals to 0. 0 by something
0.
is equals to
0.
0. So when you divide the division by 0 is not possible. Division by 0 is not possible. So but suppose denominator में 0 होता है तो it is division by 0 is not possible. So
Possible.
we will call it as a undefined. Yes, it is possible. So but 0 by something is 0. So y equal to 0 we are going to get it. So this you have to substitute in any one of the equations. In any one of the equation number 1 again. So y equal to 0 is the one solution. Y equal to 0 you take and substitute in equation number 1. 1 में substitute कर दिया तो we are going to get root 2x plus 0. Actually root 2x
Sir,
plus
x also
root
0.
3 into 0 is equals to 0. From this root 2x is equals plus 0 is equals to 0 here. So from this root 2x is equals to 0.
Sir,
From this
x equal
x
to
is
0
equals
by
to
root 2.
0 by root 2. So x value is equals to 0.
So again 0.
So the solution is 0. But here your observation is very much important. When you are observing properly, so the lines are automatically by observing these two lines are the lines which are without constant. So when you observe such type of the observation when you are doing, then it is an easy task to you to get the solution little bit faster. So this is the way to find out the solution of this one. And coming to the different problems I am explaining to you in this sixth problem, whenever you are taking into consider, here it is given that 3x by 2 minus 5y by 2 is equals to minus 2 is the one equation. This is the one equation. The another equation is x by 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. X
Sir,
by
by
3 plus
taking the
y by 2.
LCM, we can.
Yes. Better we simplify these equations without denominators. First, express this equation, you rewrite as, by taking the LCM 2, you write it as a 3x minus 5y, which is equals to minus 2. Then again it will transform into 3x minus 5y. 3x minus 5y is equals to minus 4 we are going. This you consider actually equation number 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second equation also the same way. If you are finding the denominator, means LCM of the 3 and 2, LCM of this 3 and 2 will get it as a 6. So we are going to get it as a here 2x plus 3y is equals to 13 by 6. These two denominators 6 and 6 will get cancelled. Okay. These two denominators 6 and 6 will get cancelled. Okay. So then we are going to get the equation as 2x plus 3y is equals to 13 we are going to. This you consider as second equation. Now the equations converted into the general form with the integral coefficients. Previous equations are not integral coefficients. They are the fractional, means rational coefficients. We can call it as a rational coefficients. Okay. So now here these equations are not rational coefficients. Here integral coefficients. Now little bit easy task to us to substitute. You take the equation number 1 here. By taking the equation number 1, 3x equals to 3x is equals to minus 4 as it is and plus 5y. Okay. And from this we are going to get x is equals to, you can write it 5y first, then after minus 4 by 3. This you substitute in equation number 2. Means equation number 2 is nothing but in this equation you need to substitute. Okay. So that equation number 2 will transform into 2 into x. So what is x we are getting here? 5y minus 4 divided by 3 plus 3y is equals to 13. Okay. So now this you have to solve it. So here LCM, I am finding the LCM. If it is possible, we are going to get it as a 3. So 2 into 5y minus 4 plus 3 into 3y plus 3 into 3y is equals to 30. So 2 into 5y is 10y minus 8 plus 9y is equals to 13 into 3, 39. Now 10y, 9y, add 19y, which is equals to 39
Sir, why
plus 8. What? What?
Sir, y will be 3.
Oh, you are saying the y value first starting. Okay, what do you get here? 19y is equals to, we are going to get 40, 7, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Is everything right?
Yes, sir.
Huh? It's okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If it is clear, then okay. So when we are substituting this value, we are going to get y value as a 47 divided by 90. So we are not going to get whether we are going to get 3 here.
No, sir.
Someone
No,
said
sir. No,
3, we
sir.
are going to get it. Usually the problems whenever it is given to you, we are going to get the problems with the integral coefficients only. But in the rare problems we are going to get the like this solutions. Okay. So y value is here 47 by 19 is there. So whenever the y value is 47 by 19, this you have to substitute in the equation number either 1 or in 2, so that we will get the value of the x. So I think this part you can do it. Can you do it? Or
Yes,
shall I
sir.
complete that one
Yes,
also?
sir.
Huh?
Sir.
No, sir. We can do it.
Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
yes. Tell me.
So in the question number 1, fourth part, can we remove all the decimals from both the equation?
Yes. Very good. You have asked the good question here. Directly you can remove here. Directly is nothing but when multiplying the complete equation by the 10, then it becomes a little bit convenient to us. So that means she asked the question that root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 1.3 is given. So if we multiply this complete equation by the 10, means that is nothing but we are multiplying the left hand side 10 and the right hand side also 10. So when we multiply like this equation will be transformed into 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. It looks like a little bit convenient one. That's all. It looks like a little bit convenient one. So you can remove the decimal, but directly instead of removing the decimal directly, better you write the step like this. Better you write the step like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
So while solving
Yes. Tell me.
any two linear equations by the substitution
Uh,
method, do we need to write the steps
uh,
of substitution?
what? Come again.
So, I am telling that do we need to write the steps by which we can solve this particular equation by substitution?
You can use any method. Either you can use the substitution method or you can use the any method, but it is not
Elimination.
necessary to you to mention. And it is not necessary to you to mention. And in the mostly in the examination also, they won't mention. The problem will be given and I will be asked to you to solve it. Either you can use the any method to solve it. Either you can use the substitution method, and it is not necessary to you to find uh, mention the word of substitution method. This is the substitution method we are using. It is not necessary. Okay, clear enough?
No, sir. But I want to ask that you told that do that you need to write the steps. I mean to say that whether we have to write step one in this step we are going to do this and another. Do we need to write like this or not?
Yes, like this steps is nothing but these. Now it is showing to you now. These steps better you write like this. But I'm not asking exactly the same steps to be written. A little bit changes can be done, but it should be meaningful. Okay.
So as you have
So
told, we
coming to
can
the
also solve like that in examination now.
yes, you can select any problem in the
Okay, sir.
any method in the exam. Okay. So now coming to the third problem, second problem you can do it. Second problem already which is explained to you, and let us move to the third problem. Okay. In this third problem, third bit, the first one see here it is given the difference between the two 26 and the one number is 3 times the other, and find the difference between the here the question is given with the difference between the two numbers is
26.
Yes, 26. So difference between the two numbers 26 is nothing but what? You can write that x minus y is equal to
X
20.
minus y is
Sir, x
equals to
minus y
20.
equal to 3.
And
X
one number
minus
is
y is
3
equals
times
to
the other
26.
number. Yes.
So x is
X
equals
minus
to
y equal
3y.
to 26. And
Sir, x minus 3y
yes,
is equals to
another situation is yes, both are equal. Here, according to the given situation, x is another one number is 3 times the other number. So one number is given. From this first equation, you can say that x is the larger number. From the first equation, you can say that x is the larger number. So that is 3 times of the other number. So you can write here x is equals to 3 by as the second equation. Some of the students will get confused that if this equation I have taken, if I am taking this equation as a y minus x is equals to 26, and the second equation we are going to get y equal to 3x. So be careful these two situations. Why? Because depending upon the first situation, the larger number is y. First situation, larger number is x in the first equation. And coming to the second situation, the larger number is y. So that's why we are going to get the second equation in both the equations, different equations we are getting. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So this one little bit you should be careful here. Okay. So I'm taking as I'm taking x is equals to 3y means directly you can substitute this one. Substitute in equation number 1. And you may get out, sir, always you are taking the first equation and writing the first equation in. But second equation, given equation itself, you are having x as a subject. We will call that whenever we are having x is equals to something, we will call it as x as a subject. So x minus y is equals to 26, x is equals to 3y. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. Directly substitute the second equation in equation number 1. So then one equation will be transformed to 3y minus y is equals to 26. From this 2y is equals to 26 and y is equals to 30. This you have to substitute in equation number 1 or 2, that is up to your choice. So first equation में substitute कर लिया तो easily आ जाएगा. So we are going to get x equal to 39. So x is equals to 39 and y is equals to 13 is the solution of this equation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So the remaining problems, I think so you can do it. You try to complete it.
Okay, sir.